Greetings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring, little is much with all in it. Today we are making braised oxtail. Let's begin. I have the oxtail wash and clean. I wash it twice, and I wash it with lemon, and I wash it with Braised vinegar. I wash it with lemon and vinegar twice. And now I'm gonna season it. So I have my all-purpose seasoning. This has some salt in it. I have my garlic powder and some ground pimento. I have my black pepper. And my onion powder. So I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna season it. But oxtail take a lot of seasoning. So I'm gonna season it and I'm gonna make it marinate for 2 hours. Overnight is best. And how everyone is doing. Hope everyone is doing okay. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Now it's 2 hours, so I'm gonna, wow, it's hot and sizzling. I'm gonna put my oxtail in. I'm gonna sear in all the juices of the oxtail. I'm gonna let it sear for a while. Then I'll be back. Oh, this is searing nicely. It's browning up nicely. And it's smelling up the place, smelling up the place. Looking good, smelling up the place. I had to change the pot because it was too small. This is much bigger pot. But it's smelling nice. Smelling up the place, cooking good. Now that the meat is all seared up, the oxtail is all seared up, I'm gonna add all the fresh seasoning now to the oxtail. add a small amount of gravy master. Cover it with boiling water. Why I use boiling water? So I don't stop the cooking process. So I just cover it with boiling water and I let it cook for 2 hours. You can cook your oxtail in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes and just add all the ingredients when you cook it in the pressure cooker, and just leave the beans for the last 10 minutes. Because I'm going to add beans to this in my second round. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for 2 hours. Wow, smelling up the place, looking so good. Wow, 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 wow. This is looking very, very good, looking good. I'm just gonna re-season it. I'm gonna re-season. I'm just gonna put some scallion and onion in it. And I'm gonna add some crushed beans, some crushed butter beans to help thicken the gravy. If your gravy is not thick enough, you can always add some crushed butter beans. Or whatever you want to add. It's your kitchen. You could add flour, cornstarch, but I like the crushed butter beans better. It makes it thick. This should be ready in the next 10 minutes. I can take the pieces of thyme out. That time that I jabber in. And I'm gonna add the rest of beans to the pot. Taste a little piece to see if you need any salt in it. It should only stay for 10 minutes. Let me just taste it. I'm just gonna taste. Delicious oxtail goodness. This is so good. Delicious. It's only need any salt, it is delicious. Delicious. So good. So 10 more minutes and it should be finished. 10 minutes. Wow, this is looking all good, looking all good. This is finished now. Gravy is thick. Wow, this is good. Oxtail goodness. Please try this recipe. The recipe is in the description box. So try this recipe. I'm gonna eat a piece. Let me taste that. I'm just gonna taste it. This is good. Oxtail goodness. Delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness. Oxtail goodness. Try this recipe, it's delicious. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for my next upcoming video. This is good. I'm gonna show some for you guys. But this is good. And bye from now. Bye from Eat Good TV. Bye family, take care. Have a good night now. Bye bye. This is good. Try the recipe and share. Tell everybody about Eat Good TV. Bye bye.